This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable notifications in the Waterfox web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Waterfox web browser opened up now. To enable or disable notifications, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go off to the upper right hand corner, up to where you see the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now on the pane off to the left hand side here, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, you want to scroll down to where you see the Permissions section. And in the Permissions section right here, Notifications, you want to click on Settings off to the right of Notifications. Now in this little dialog box that opens up here, toward the very bottom, it says Block New Requests Asking to Allow Notifications. By default, this is probably unchecked. You're allowing notifications. If you check this box, it will block new requests asking to allow notifications. If the box is checked, it disables notifications. If it's unchecked, it's enabled. Then you want to go down to the lower right hand corner and click on Save Changes. That is how to enable or disable notifications in the Waterfox web browser. Thanks for watching.